Hello and hi, this is Ganesh, CEO D3MINDS. We are here at Automation Expo to present our product suite, Tomax Digital. Tomax Digital is a flagship manufacturing software intelligence software that helps manufacturers to meet modern demands, compete at global stage, particularly for small and medium scale companies. We commoditize and make the technology a level playing field for modern manufacturing companies. Tomax Digital has a very rich manufacturing applications ecosystem. We have production control, maintenance, warehouse modules, manufacturing quality, workforce management softwares. We provide a tremendous set of enterprise quality management software which has quality planning, quality control, quality assurance, supplier quality, and continuous improvement softwares. So what happens is that when you onboard us as your digital transformation partner, you can solve your specific point solutions. You can put up a roadmap and then integrate and evolve all these softwares as you grow. So we provide a one-stop solution for you to pick and choose and evolve as you grow to solve your problems. Tomax Digital provides a unified view of your manufacturing lifecycle. It enables you to collaborate with your stakeholders, your shop floor operators, vendors, customers, and provides a 360-degree view of your entire shop floor. Tomax Digital provides you rich visualization and enables manufacturer to make data-driven decisions to make a deeper analysis of your issues. So we have SOC 2 certifications, ISO 27001 certifications, that provides you a guarantee on cybersecurity. We can deploy in on-prem, it operates in cloud. So this enables a very good collaborative platform and presents a single source of truth for if you are an executive, if you are a plant director, quality director, maintenance team, whatever role you are in a shop floor, it's going to present you a single source of truth, bringing transparency, efficiency, quality, and meet customers' agile demands.